I'm Katie Pierce, President and Chief Revenue Officer here at Sonny's, the car wash factory. Our WashScape turnkey car wash solution has attracted a lot of attention from investors. I wanted to take a minute to explain why so many investors choose the WashScape path and what you can expect. First, let's start with the basics. It's a franchise model, which means there are no franchise fees, no royalty fees, and no restrictive franchise control. This will be your business to own, your brand to operate, and to sell as you want to. But like a franchise, WashScape helps you with every aspect of launching your car wash business, including site selection, building concepts, branding, equipment selection, grand opening, and beyond.
Hi, I'm Rafael Navarro, Director of Consulting Services here at Sonny's. You'll first meet with one of our WashScape experts. You'll get an overview of the program, and we'll share timelines, building design options, equipment packages, and review any questions that you may have. You'll also be introduced to our real estate partners, Wash Equity Advisors. After meeting both teams, we'll move to a commitment of working together. If you already own real estate, we'll run a pro forma and demographic study on the site. If you don't own property, Wash Equity Advisors will source and vet potential car wash sites for you. Regardless of if you own the property or if you're looking for a site, our team will confirm that that location aligns with our car wash standards for key demographics, location requirements, and site characteristics. While looking for the location, you'll be introduced to our Sonny's Slam marketing team. You'll work with them to build your brand, and this includes defining your vision for your business, logo development, and a host of other marketing tactics so your car wash hits the ground running from day one. And when it comes to permitting, entitlement, scheduling, and the likes, we've found that this is the part of the WashScape program that investors appreciate the most. Before construction commences, we'll make sure that your project stays on schedule. We'll remain involved during the LOI, due diligence, entitlement, and permitting process. And we'll also engage in contractor-subcontractor selection, building approvals, planning and scheduling, punch list closeouts, certificate of occupancy, and many other construction options and development services. Basically, we make this part of the process easier for you. And by the time shovels hit the dirt, we'll have worked with you to determine proper tunnel length, equipment package, signage, vacuum, and lighting options. You'll have selected building design, colors, materials, and finishes, all while aligning with your custom brand. Through this entire process, you will have a direct line to our Sonny's WashScape and consulting experts. Next is installation. With WashScape, you'll work with our Sonny's Car Wash Services team. This is a team comprised of car wash experts that are knowledgeable about your local market. Our Sonny's Car Wash Services team will work alongside you to ensure your car wash equipment is installed, erected, and fine-tuned to help you produce a clean, dry, shiny car. Now it's time to get ready for opening day. We provide on-site training so you and your team are comfortable with the equipment, the controls, inspections, and adjustments needed to operate a car wash. We minimize the anxiety of opening your wash with a detailed plan leading up to the grand opening and weeks that follow. With the help of Car Wash College and Car Wash OS, you'll get the extra help and guidance to win your unfair share.
As I mentioned at the start of this video, this will be your car wash, your business, you own it. There are no ongoing franchise fees, no royalty fees, and no restrictive franchise control. So whether you're a first-time car wash owner looking for assistance or a seasoned veteran looking to accelerate your growth, WashScape is here to help you reach your dream, build your wash, and successfully grow your business. Let's get started.